Here's how you can make my favorite dish, lamb pulao, which is better than biryani in my opinion, both of which can be found in a cookbook. And it's basically rice cooked in a spiced lamb stock.
जीरा डालेंगे इसमें, काली मिर्च, साबुत धनिया 1 स्पून, लौंग इसमें 10 से 12, 2 इलायची, ग्रीन इलायची डालेंगे, दालचीनी, स्मेल अच्छी आएगी। अब इसमें पानी डालेंगे। लैम्ब मीट है।
Did you wash this?
Yeah, why not? Meat always wash good.
No, you don't have to always wash meat, it's fine.
बेटा सब जम्स होते हैं अच्छा।
No, if you cook it, then all the gersim is gone.
No.
And we'll also add a whole bulb of garlic and a small onion. Cover this with water just enough until it sits right on top of the meat.
2 चम्मच नमक डाल देंगे। 45 मिनट के लिए इसको पकने देंगे।
And now we gotta drain all the stock from the meat, and let's also squeeze out all that garlic and onion flavor.
ऑयल डालेंगे इसमें थोड़ा, प्याज डालेंगे, हल्दी, लहसुन और अदरक का पेस्ट डालेंगे।
And now we add all of our lamb back into the mix and cover it with the stock.
बॉईल हो जाए फिर इसमें चावल डालेंगे। ये बासमती चावल है, इसको धो के।
And you can see how the stock is above the rice. You want to let this boil just until the stock falls below the rice. Then you can cover it and let this steam for about an extra 10 minutes and then you're done. And now you can plate and you can garnish it with raita. And I used to eat this when I was little. I didn't even know what it was called back in the day. I used to call this good chawal. So whenever I wanted pulao, I used to tell my mom to make some of that good chawal.
आज गुड है। गुड चावल।